Here you can see my finished work. I can run fast. And I made sure that I put the same color of lines as I had on my pants, and then the same color of lines that I had on my shirt, so it looks like all the wind's just brushing right past me. I can hop on one foot. And you can see I put my lines the same color. Looks like I forgot one. And I might want me to be hopping with that same color as well. And I can play, and I put dress up in there. You can put anything that you would like, but I can play dress up. So I have my clothes on underneath here, but I'm trying to wiggle on this orange dress here. So that's my writing. Now you have an idea of what it is that you can do to make movement in yours.